Starting off the day right with yoga at school. 9 on Your Side's Lisa Smith visited a class at Aiken High School on the west side where yoga helps some special ed students get through the day.
I want you to put your hands together and bring them to your heart. Close your eyes.
It's only been a few weeks, but these Aiken High School students are responding to yoga in the classroom.
The kids seem to be a little bit calmer afterwards and during. They're responding very well to it.
Ann Callahan George is an intervention specialist at Aiken. Her students' needs range from moderate to severe.
We have students that actually are not mobile. They're in wheelchairs. And they actually come to the class with us as well.
The teacher actually wanted to start this program last year, but she didn't have yoga mats, so all of these were donated earlier this year.
Our principal actually bought us quite a few, I think over 20 mats.
Several health studies point to the benefits of yoga for special ed students.
Let's try one more pose. Are we ready for down dog?
From accomplishing poses to deep breathing and meditation, it sets the tone for the day.
There's a lot of chaos that goes through a school day for any student involved.
The 30-minute sessions end with the Shavasana pose, completely relaxed.
I think it should spread to other schools, most definitely.
Lisa Smith, 9 on Your Side.